In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close profitable trades only on MetaTrader 5. As you dive deeper into trading, managing your positions efficiently to maximize your profits becomes increasingly important. One effective way to do this is by closing only the trades that are already in profit, allowing your losing positions more time to recover while securing your gains. Let's walk through this process together. First, open MetaTrader 5 and navigate to the lower section of the interface, where you will find the toolbox. The toolbox is a crucial component of the MetaTrader platform, giving you access to all the essential tools needed to manage your trades and account efficiently. Pay close attention to the Trade tab. This tab shows your current open trades with details such as the instrument, size, stop loss, and, most importantly, the profit or loss status. Now that you are in the toolbox, locate a trade on which you wish to perform an operation. It's as simple as right-clicking on that trade to bring up a context menu with several options. Here, the focus is on optimizing your trading strategy by making selective decisions, and MetaTrader 5 provides a handy feature for just that. Once you right-click, look for the option labeled Bulk Operation. Selecting this option will allow you to perform actions on multiple trades at once, which is particularly useful when you're managing multiple positions and want to streamline your workflow. After selecting Bulk Operation, you'll see another menu. Click on Close Profitable Trades Only. This command is specifically designed for traders who want to ensure they are locking in profits on successful trades while giving their other trades a chance to improve. It's an excellent strategy for maintaining a positive balance in your trading account, and can be especially useful during volatile market conditions when trades can swing between profit and loss quickly. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to ensure you're securing the gains from your trading activities with precision. By using MetaTrader 5's built-in functions, you can manage your trades more effectively, allowing for a disciplined approach to your trading strategy. Remember, the key to successful trading often lies in risk management and being able to adapt quickly to changing market conditions. To wrap things up, always remember to keep a close watch on your trades even after closing your profitable ones. Market conditions can change rapidly, and staying informed is crucial. Whether you are a novice or a seasoned trader, refining your strategy and using tools like these can lead to more consistent trading outcomes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made it easier for you to manage your trades on MetaTrader 5. Happy trading!